And let's start off with breaking news that's coming in from Maharashtra. Relations between Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and Governor Koshyari nosedives. The Maharashtra Governor B.S. Koshyari has been denied an official plane. He was supposed to fly to Missouri for a function at the Lal Bahadur Academy this morning. While the governor was about to board the plane, he was informed that the flight has no permission to flight. In fact, that's when Koshyari was forced to take a commercial flight to Missouri. This has, of course, led to again speculation about rifts and the fact that ties between Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and the governor continues to dip. Kamlesh Sutar is joining us with more details on this. Kamlesh, just give us a sense of, what exactly happened. We understand this was a scheduled visit for the governor to Missouri, and last minute his flight was cancelled.
Yes, Akshita, what our sources are telling us that the governor's office had intimated the Maharashtra state government almost a week before, a week in advance about the scheduled visit, and usually that is how the protocol has been. But this morning, what we've been told that the governor was surprised when he was told that the required permissions to fly from the state government haven't been received, and in that context, the government had to take a commercial flight and take and reach for his official function in Missouri. So that's very strange. We've seen the clashes between the governor and Maharashtra government since last several occasions. Just recently, last week, when the governor was in Nasik for a function, he had criticized the government indirectly while making a jab that sportspersons are not getting jobs in Maharashtra. And that is not the first time. We've seen just yesterday, even Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister, hinted at saying that he might have to take the legal course if the governor does not approve of the 12 names that are to be appointed by the governor of Maharashtra. So the skirmishes between the governor and Maharashtra government have been happening for a while. Okay. And let me also update Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. He was just now asked about the incident, and he fled ignorance. He said that he was not aware, and he is going to seek some information about why the flight wasn't given permission and why the governor was denied. So though officially Maharashtra government is not saying much on this, but this is certainly one more chapter, one more incident between the continuous war of words between Maharashtra government and the governor of Maharashtra.
All right, Kamlesh, we'll be tracking the latest. For the moment, thank you for joining.